Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to make ketchup for chips at home. Homemade ketchup, totally from scratch. So these are the ingredients we need. We need a blender, the blender there. We need tomatoes, we need silver, we need vinegar, sugar, salt, chopping board and a knife, and a pot, cooking pot. So let's get started with chopping our tomatoes. Let's go. Hey, I'm done chopping the tomatoes. So on to the next. We're going to transfer these tomatoes to the pot. Then we need a cup of water, fresh water. So let's do this, and then we put it on the over the stove. Do this. So we need a cup of water. Cup of water here. We put it, and then we simmer it, let it boil until they are soft. After it's soft, you can blend them. So I'll be back after this has completely boiled, so we can blend it. Our tomatoes are now boiling. Tomatoes boiling, boiling, boiling. Let's see. You see, we only put a cup of water, but you can see tomatoes has a lot of water in it, so we don't have to put a lot of water, because when it boils, the water starts it starts producing water by itself. So now let's leave it for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes more, then we blend it. So let me just I'm going to put vinegar, sugar, and salt. Vinegar, sugar, and salt. At this stage, we have put our ingredients: salt, sugar to taste, sugar to taste, and then vinegar to your preference. So we are going to let it boil as we stir it. Tukikoroga isiungue, so we have to keep stirring it every few seconds, every 1 minute, every few seconds. So you keep stirring it until it's heavy. Yeah. You see it's starting to show some bubbles, so it's boiling. So far it is so I'm still on it. Nakoroga tu mpaka ikuwe heavy. Koroga tu. It's almost done. It's getting thick. Just a few more minutes and I'll show you the final result. As we cool it, then we bottle it and put it in the fridge. Then we can use it later. So this is done. When you see it starting to spill all over, it's heavy and heavy. It's popping out of the spoon. Yeah. So it's done. So that's how I know my ketchup is done. Try this receipt. You'll never buy again ketchup. No more buying. I'm going to cool it for like 10 minutes, then I'll put on a bottle and refrigerate it, and I can use it for some weeks. Yeah, like 2 weeks, then it's done. I'll make another. Okay. Yeah, it's done, guys. So the ketchup is ready, and I got like 1 liter of ketchup from 100 shillings worth of tomatoes. It was a medium size, so 100 bob for 1 liter of ketchup, homemade ketchup. So I'm going to put this in the fridge, then we will be using it every time we need to use it. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share and comment. It will really help me a lot. Thank you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.